Hello guys and welcome to Get Rich 24/7. Guys, in this channel I am going to tell you how to earn money for free from Telegram bot, from website and many other ways. So today I am going to tell you how to get free Trump coin. As you can see in the market, Trump coin is like booming in the start, but right now it is like in 11 to 12 dollar as I am going to search right now. I think it's 11 to 12 dollar right now. Yeah, it's 11 to 12 dollar right now in the Binance. You can also see it's like going $11. So yeah, it's going 11 to 12 dollar right now. So the bot I will get you the Telegram bot. You can see the link in the description. And every time you will come to there, it will have a little captcha thingy. You will have to solve it. Let me just solve the captcha. Uh, well, guys, you will get on this channel a way to earn money without any investment and stuff. All you have to do is follow, like, and subscribe, and you can get the link of every Telegram bot and every website where you can earn crypto or USDD for free. Just you need to do is like, subscribe, and follow our channel. And in the upcoming future, I will also be telling you how to run Telegram on those country where the Telegram is banned or it's not working correctly. And as you can see, I have the captcha has like 5 to 3 times option, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So as you can see, it also give you some other ways to earn like a USDD or LTC, Litecoin. You can earn Litecoin, and it has other options like it check my balance. Like I have been using it and I have withdrawn from it, and my current channel is my current Trump coin is like 0.0001 hundred. Like it's a little bit coin bit Trump coin, not that much. And in hourly bonus, you can, as you can see, in every hour you can get 0.00015 a Trump coin. Okay, and you can claim it like after every 1 hour. And you can also refer other people. It sometimes also have sometime task, but sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it has task liking channel, join group, and other stuff. And well, the way to more Trump going on it, it's like referring people. I already have referred one guy, and you can see I have that balance, and I have already withdrawn it. And yep, as you can see, if I go to withdraw, it has options, and I have given my Gmail of the Faucet Pay. Faucet Pay, if you don't know what is Faucet Pay is like a web wallet. It is similar to Coinbase or MetaMask or Trust Wallet. As you can see, I already have little bit of Trump coin. Is 0.001 Trump coin here, and I haven't withdrawn any Trump coin right now. So what I'm going to show you is the live withdraw of the Trump coin from the Telegram bot that I am showing you. So if you don't know how to make Faucet Pay account, you can also comment and tell me that I will make another video on how to create a Faucet Pay account. So after going to Telegram, we are going to, well, I have already added my Telegram Gmail. You will have to edit your Gmail, then it will save it for you in the future, for the future. Okay. And I have currently like 0.0665, I think. Yeah, yeah, that's right. And I'm going to withdraw it all. Okay. After after the withdraw, it will ask for you confirm, it is just like this. It will ask for you confirm. After clicking on the confirm, the other confirm isn't the confirm that you need to like permission. It's the confirm you need to go to your wallet and check. As you can see, uh, you first need to refresh it. Okay, after the refresh, it will show me, I think, yeah, it will show you the coin I have just withdrawn from the bot. Yeah, as you can see that I have got the Trump coin I just withdrawn from there, and it is pretty easy. And in the future, if you want to like a faucet pay account, and I will be telling you more websites than I know, and I will be covering those websites in the future, and I will also be telling you that the website are fake or not. If you have any website that you think it is giving money and stuff, you can just comment it in the uh, uh, comment in the yeah, you can just comment it, and I will try to find, and like I would like to try to research it. And from further way, you can easily withdraw to like Binance or crypto coin. Well, it also have some limit, but after you have like stored or collected that much coin in the faucet pay, then after you can easily withdraw it to your other account like Binance or Coinbase, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, like any other wallet that supports Coin. Okay, and if you know is other ways, you can also find the vote from here, stuff from here. Well, guys, that's all for today. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment any other question you want. And for those who cannot understand English, I have also made it an Urdu Hindi version in the other video. So thanks for watching and subscribe.